अशा पद्धतीत it will give more and more flights, more and more passengers for the Mopa International Airport, Dabolim International Airport. So air connectivity चड वाढल्या कारणान ताचोय फायदो आमकां खूप मोठ्या प्रमाणात जातलो. त्या खातीर प्रायम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदीजी हांच्या जर 10 वर्सांच्या मोदी सरकाराच्या कार्यकाळात जर तुम्ही पळयशात जाल्यार देशात 74 एअरपोर्ट फक्त 2014 पर्यंत आज 150 एअरपोर्ट आसा. यू जस्ट सी इन 60 वर्षाच्या कार्यकाळात फक्त 74 एअरपोर्ट्स and within a 10 years honorable PM and it 150 म्हणजे फिगर्स डबल झाले. आम्ही जर पळयत जाल्यार मेट्रोज फक्त 3 सिटींनी आशिल्ली, दिल्ली, बेंगलोर and कलकत्ता. आज more than 20 cities having the metro train. This way the fast connectivity. National highwayची construction of the speed कितली आशिल्ली? It is a 12 kilometer per day आशिल्ली. ती speed आज 28 kilometers per day झाली आसा.
And our entire aim is actually on connecting Bharat. So as you see, our tagline says Bharat Unbound. We really want to get into the real Bharat. So as part of our growth plan, our first 6 aircrafts are going to be based at Goa's Mopa Airport. And we have just brought in our first 2 aircrafts, which is based out here. Over the next 6 months, 4 more aircrafts will be joining our fleet, and we're going to have 6 aircrafts based in Mopa, which is going to be base 1 for us. We are going to cover between 8 to 10 cities with these 6 aircrafts that are based in Mopa. Over the next 5 years, every year we are going to open a new base, and in every base we are going to place 6 to 7 aircrafts. So our 5-year plan is to actually induct a fleet of 32 to 35 aircrafts.